Oh boy. Oh man. The wheel is off. It's a lot of curb rash. A lot of it. All the way around. Whew. That's a very nice gash. Chunk. Let's see. Curb rash. Is that duck? That's. No, I guess I put that over the way. It's not mine. That's fine. Curb rash. Curb rash. More. Ooh, another gash. Back's not bad. Oh. Oh, hey. Looks like there's a bit of a gap there, maybe just a little one. You know, nothing huge. Oh wow, is there no curb rash? Hey. Man. Good wheel right here. We got all scraped up. That's some paint and scratches. Like the whole wheel is curb rash. That's just basically what it is. Yeah, last I checked, I don't think a hood's supposed to look like that. That's a spider web. Huh. 2010, 33,000 miles for 18 grand. I do not think so. Yeah, no, I would not. If they fixed it up, yeah, maybe. If they repaired some of the gaps and, you know, painted it, maybe put some new wheels on it, it'd be fine, but I wouldn't pay 18 grand for a very used car. Yeah. Not impressed. The seats are nice. Inside looks nice. I think from the photos it has a aftermarket head unit, which I'm not a fan of those because they're normally not high quality. This one doesn't look like it has shifter paddles. Nah. Oh, what's this? Oh, that is a... Didn't see that earlier. I guess the back doesn't look good. Oh, okay. Well, that's falling out. Man. You know, maybe 15 grand for it, but I would not go 18. Huh. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Think it's a good deal, bad deal, horrible deal. Looks like the wheel well lining is falling out. I'm sure it's on every single tire. I like the rims if they weren't destroyed. That sucks. That's awful. That's awful.